Good morning, guys. Welcome to the 4th of July. We're gonna do a DIY like a pro. How to cook Hawaiian teriyaki chicken. As you see, we ain't giving you the recipe, but we can show you what the chicken look like and what the chicken's gonna taste like in the end. So, just like this, guys, you know, come on down. Come get some teriyaki chicken. DIY like a pro. This is the beginning.
Hey, Tolo.
Oh, hey, mana.
Okay. Got something for you.
DIY. Okay. Oh!
What?
I haven't seen this since you were in middle school.
He said, guys, let me sleep in. It's 1 o'clock.
I shouldn't have brought your speaker back then, Mono.
Guys, let me sleep in. I called him at 7. Whatever, 8 o'clock. Guys, let me sleep in a little bit.
Yeah.
It's 1 in the afternoon.
I went to sleep at 5 a.m.
Who cares?
Yeah, chat. We're taking over for a couple seconds, chat. Oh, takeover done. Okay, chat. We're back for another little takeover. He's taking out the piece of shit he was talking about. All right. So here you see Mama's hard work. New status. Yep. Okay, buddy. You want to see where it all began? It all began right here. 5 toes. With this sucker. But now we're upgraded. We're shenanigans.
At the university.
Alright, we're getting it on camera.
I should be a catcher because I'm in this position so often.
Oh, that was a good one.
On?
Yeah, these guys are coming to pitch. They said, hey, there's a good catcher.
Hey.
Guys, check this out, guys. Whole chicken. We're making huli huli chicken today for the 4th of July. And some teriyaki chicken. Just gonna make it like a pro. So,
Turtle Man, aka Micah, is not here. He slept in. It's 9 o'clock. He says he still wants to sleep in.
a little bit.
Yeah.
That's good.
Preparation. Got the backyard ready for the 4th. Gonna get the cookers ready. All right. Throwing the chicken on.
And then cut.
Okay, we gotta wrap it with the chicken wire so when it cooks it doesn't fall off the spigot here. So that's what we're doing right now.
Guys,
Getting ready for a big barbecue.
like a pro.
Getting ready for a big barbecue.
Yeah. Guys, Guys, DIY. Fix like a pro. See that, guys? See? Just like that. Just like that. Like a pro. Competiano. Who wants to eat? Ready. Guys, not ready. Gotta cook. Like a pro.
Special guest. Welcome. It's my nephew Lola. My sister. All right, barbecue in the back. All right, we're starting the fire. Another propane fire. Get all that more. Just chicken and tongue. Lolo.
Is it on? No?
No. Missing. I'll help you. There we are. Fire's lit on both sides. Can't see that one. Start the spinning. Cool. Oh yeah, see, look, they're gonna hit might have to move them. Oh yeah, we got DJ over here. He's about to burn the dog. First time usage of the pit. How do you feel? What? First time usage of the pit. How are you feeling right now? Feels good. I built it nice and strong. Real sturdy. Yep. For the boys. Yeah, we're just out here getting ready to cook the dog. How do you feel about being cooked?
Speak.
All right. Get your tail. Luke, get your tail. Get your tail. Get it. Wow.
Get it.
Get your tail. Get your tail.
No.
Get your tail. Good boy. Get it. Wow. Oh yeah. Bunch of corn stars over here.
Like this. Guys. Listen, guys.
Try it, Lolo.
Say, guys.
Lolo, come on. Give him a try.
Like a champ.
DIY bro. DIY like a
DIY.
pro.
Look, this is what you do, guys. You get the corn, and you go to the first one, and you look at it, and you say, "Come on off," but it won't come on. So you have to go like a pro. Look at that. DIY like a pro. That's overdoing it. You go one at a time. Go like a pro.
Popcorn. All right, we're gonna sneak up on him. Start cooking.
Still a little warm right now. Wait for the flame to die down. Right now you're gonna have burnt chicken.
Billy's favorite kind of chicken.
Get the wire though, guys.
Oh yeah.
Here we go, like a pro.
Like a pro.
See the motion, scrape the ocean,
Guys,
like a bro.
wire brush, guys. Wire brush. You don't want to eat this wire brush. You want to use the wire brush to clean. But you gotta burn it. Burn the wire before you put your food in it. So we're gonna burn this. Then we're gonna flip it around. Burn it a little bit more, and then we cook.
Just like that, DIY.
DIY like a pro. And if Lucky and Luffy get naughty, they know where they're going. Like a pro, into the grill.
Oh yeah, he's doing it.
Making topay.
Like a bro.
Like a pro.
What's your ingredients?
Flour, coconut milk, coconut shredding, baking soda, baking powder, sugar.
Heating up the coconut milk. Some people dance to their own song.
Yeah, this is, it's tradition. It makes the taste come out.
Don't drop that.
Okay.
Slow down. Grab the wall.
Guys. We need to check on our chicken. There you go. Look at all the juice coming out of that, guys. Look at that. That's like a pro. Looking good, huh?
Yeah, it looks good. DIY.
DIY like a pro. Happy 4th.
Happy 4th. Yes, sir. Look at the fire. Put the topay ready. Gonna get ready to cook them. Yep. All right. First layer, Hawaiian teriyaki chicken.
Guys, DIY. DIY grill. DIY chicken. Teriyaki chicken. This is the best chicken ever. You can have all the teriyaki chicken until you eat our chicken. You never want to eat anybody else's chicken anymore. Best chicken. The best chicken in the West. Yeah. And some teriyaki for her to take to her staff that's working today. Luffy, you're next if you do that again.
What do you do?
Come up and sniff my leg.
Alright, so we kind of have a ghetto looking freaking scooper for the topay. But, yep, just get some like this. See? Yep.
Does it have volume on it too?
The Tongan dumpling, coconut dumpling. Yup.
Mana, what's the date that you guys are leaving to see Delhi? What
The 29. Oh, we got Lolo making the Lolo. Lolo. What's the Lolo? Lolo making the topay. DIY Pro on the chicken.
Almost ready to go.
Fatten up the next meal. This guy trying to feed me. Number one, McNugget.
Make it.
But then we're gonna turn it down and everything will fall into the fire. Wow, upside.
Michael, what do you think?
It's good. We might put some good work in here.
Let's try a piece. Let's catch it live.
I don't think I've really had much better than this. It doesn't get any better.
All time?
All time.
Yes, sir.
Rain dance. Or the fire dance.
I think we need the rain dance.
Micah, explain your ice cream.
Explain the ice cream? Wait, it's lemon bar flavored ice cream.
How's it taste?
Fairly good.
What?
How many of those did you eat today?
Just this. I shared half of it.
Live taste test.
You going back for another one?
Probably not for a while. I'm not sure how long they're gonna have the flavor for a while.
Here we go. Talk to me about the flavor.
Well, it has lemon bars in it. Wow.
I'm gonna go help.
All right.
You and your 5 subscribers and your 1 comment.
Did you subscribe? Good man.
That's why you have 5 now.
By the way, the metal is super hot. I touch it and burn my finger, so I wouldn't mess with it. Okay, mana. I gotta. Damn it! It's freaking hot.
Don't touch the metal.
No, I don't. I just messed up. Yeah. Fast. I didn't want to do up.
I had to follow.
DIY. That's like a pro. And when you get burned, act like it's not burn. It's not burned at all.
Not burn me.
It burned my head.
Oh, that's a thicken right there. That thicken gonna make this guy right here act up. Mike, are you about to act up?
What?
Are you about to act up?
In what way?
Because of the chicken, you're gonna act up.
It's gonna be good.
You gonna act up, Micah?
He said bricked up.
Micah's bricked up? Whoa. Chat. This guy's acting up. This guy's acting up on the dog.
Luffy!
What's gonna happen, Mana?
Nothing.
It doesn't hurt.
It's just hot a little bit.
If it's hell hot, how come my hands are sitting under it perfectly still?
Here.
No, don't put it on me.
No, I was just gonna show you it's hot. Because you say you don't feel it. We're making it so good for mom that the co-worker is gonna like, how'd you do this? Look at that bone. Hold on.
Luffy. Okay, chat. Oh, we have number 1 in line. All right. The barbecue, the hard work is done. Boom.
Rafi,
Boom.
come here. Food ready.
Boom. Boom.
Nitia's gonna bring food for Sterling. Making the Sterling's food.
Whoa, we got here. Boom. Hot dogs, of course, gotta have the hot dogs. Hooly hooly. Yeah, chicken. Sir. Some prime. DIY Pro. Raffy. And we got the ribs.
Hey guys, guess what guys? Just let you know, this is what happened after you eat good food. Look at it. Look. We
How's the food?
It's good. Second plate.
Second.
This is how Filipinos are. Hey guys, this is the DIY barbecue. It's good like we make it look like a pro. And look, we're on a diet, but we're gonna start our diet Monday.
Lucky. Lucky.
It was good. Good barbecue. Good.
Did you get the food already on the table?
I didn't. I don't know if Polo did. I just got here.
Ralphie's got one more plate to go.
Alright, we're here with the Cards crew.
Guys, listen. Listen up, guys. DIY. DIY like a bro. This is what happens when you eat all the DIY food. Now we go DIY cards.
There you go. Micah, what you got to say about that?
Say about the cards?
Yeah, DIY what?
DIY.
There you go.
Like a pro.
Like a pro.